Pika versus Runway versus Kling AI. So let's start with Pika. Pika is a creative video AI tool focused on generating and editing short videos from text and image prompts. Think of it as an anime-style cinematic scenes or concept visuals. Runway, on the other hand, is one of the major AI video tools, which is also a supporting text-to-video, video editing, and image-to-video tools used by creators and agencies. And lastly, Kling AI is China's most powerful AI video model, making waves for ultrasonic and ultra-realistic photorealistic results in physics and motion, especially in realistic human movement and cinematic style. Now let's talk about their pros and cons. And then Pika AI. So Pika AI stylized outputs and are vibrant and creative. They also have a good for creatives memes and gaming style content. They also offer intuitive UI, free credits available, and they offer in-painting, out-painting stylization for control. Now for Runway. Runway offers a support for video-to-video editing, motion brush, and interpolation. They also have a wide control of text-to-video, image-to-video, reference video, and masking, which is ideal for brands, marketers, and filmmakers. And lastly, King AI. So it offers an unmatched realism with shadows, physics, and camera motion. It's also best for hyper-real cinematic scenes and smooth tracking. They also have human motion, cloud simulation, and water physics, which looks shockingly real, and it's great for experimental short films or ad concepts. So in conclusion, Pika is best for stylized animes inspired or surreal content with fast iteration, and Runway is best if you want a serious creator needing both generation and editing tools. And Kling AI is the best for hard to access and more of a tech showcase today than a tool for everyday creators because it focuses on its realism.